Could a flip phone finally replace your regular smartphone without any compromises? That's the question the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is now forcing everyone to ask after a new hands-on video gave us a close look at what might be Samsung's smartest design update yet. The big eye-catcher is the cover screen, which now stretches from edge to edge, taking up the entire top half of the phone. It's a huge leap forward, and unlike past versions that had small, limited outer screens, this one feels more like a second main display. In the leaked video, we can see how the cover screen allows users to swipe through widgets, check the time, and likely even get notifications, with a small white dot possibly acting as a sign of unread alerts. There's a space next to the cameras that's currently used to show the date and time, and it might also become the home for something called the Now bar, which could display music controls or countdown timers while the phone is closed. That means more things can be done without ever flipping the phone open, something that saves time, energy, and battery life. And if you still want the full screen experience, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is also upgrading its foldable inner display. It's now 6.9 inches instead of 6.7 inches, offering more room for apps, videos, and multitasking, even though the bezels, which protect the display when folded, haven't changed much. They continue to serve their purpose without getting in the way. On the design front, Samsung has made the Flip 7 slightly thinner too, about 0.8 millimeters less when folded and 0.4 millimeters less when unfolded. Compared to the Galaxy Z Flip 6, while those numbers might seem small, they help make the phone feel more compact in your pocket or bag. Even though it's hard to tell the difference just by looking at it in the video, those minor adjustments still show Samsung's effort to improve the user experience with every new model. But what makes this phone truly interesting is how practical it's becoming. With the new cover screen, you can probably reply to messages, check your calendar, or play music without ever opening the phone, a feature that adds real convenience. It feels like Samsung has finally figured out how to make the Flip series more than just a cool-looking device. The Flip 7 is shaping up to be a serious, everyday phone, not just a flashy gadget for tech fans. Whether you're someone who loves trying the latest features or someone who wants a compact phone that still does everything, this upgrade might be for you. And while we're still waiting for the official reveal, what we've seen so far makes it clear that Samsung is moving in the right direction. Foldables used to be all about the wow factor, but now it's about real usability, and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could be the device that brings more people into the foldable world. So, does this new design and functionality make the Flip 7 your next phone? Let us know your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple updates on what's new in tech. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. What if your smartphone could save you from forgetting someone's birthday and even help you send a card without lifting more than a finger? That's exactly what Samsung's latest One UI 8 Beta 3 is trying to do, rolling out now for the Galaxy S25. This update brings a small but smart upgrade to a feature called Now Brief. This tool was introduced with the Galaxy S25 series and is designed to give you AI-powered updates throughout the day. In this beta, Now Brief gets a quirky new addition that blends helpful reminders with artificial intelligence in a surprisingly fun way. If your contact's birthday is coming up, Now Brief will now notify you ahead of time and give you the option to send them an AI-generated birthday card. All you have to do is tap the reminder, enter a bit of information, and choose an art style. The AI then creates a birthday card that you can send right away. This could come in handy for people you might not know well or when you're simply too busy to write a personal message. It's thoughtful, quick, and makes sure you don't miss the moment. You can select from different art styles, making each card look a little more unique, and the whole process is meant to be smooth and fast. Alongside this feature, Now Brief is also getting smarter with other reminders. It can now tell you where you parked, notify you about upcoming events, and alert you about smart home activities, all based on your schedule and habits. The idea is to make your phone more useful without making you ask for help. This version of One UI doesn't bring massive changes like past versions did, but instead focuses on improving the things users already rely on every day. And even though this is still in beta, people using it say it's working well so far. There have been no major bugs, and everything seems to be running smoothly. Samsung is expected to continue testing a few more beta versions before launching the final stable One UI 8 update. If all goes well, we'll likely see the official release alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, which are rumored to ship with this version pre-installed. As for other Samsung phones, they'll start receiving the update over the next few months. While Samsung is focusing on practical features powered by artificial intelligence, Apple is going in a different direction. With iOS 26, Apple introduced a major design overhaul using a new look called Liquid Glass. But interestingly, Apple didn't highlight artificial intelligence features in the same way Samsung has. That means Samsung is taking a quieter, more useful path building smart features into daily tools like Now Breathe, instead of showing off big design changes. It's a different kind of competition, and one that could work better for people who care more about what their phone can do rather than how it looks. And while sending AI-generated birthday cards might not replace calling your best friend on their big day, it's definitely useful when you want to do something nice without overthinking it. With just a few taps, you've done your part and it still feels thoughtful. So whether you're forgetful with birthdays or just love trying new tech tricks, One UI 8 Beta 3 might surprise you with how helpful it really is if you want more updates like this one and you're curious where smartphones are heading next. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay in the loop. Can a foldable phone really be thinner than your average pencil? That's what the fresh Galaxy Z Fold 7 renders seem to suggest, and they're turning quite a few heads. Shared by OnLeaks and Android headlines, the latest images give us a closer look at what Samsung might reveal on July 9th in New York City. Just from the design, you can tell Samsung has made a big change. This foldable looks thinner than ever before. Last year's Galaxy Z Fold 6 was 12.1 millimeters thick when folded, but now leaks suggest the new Fold 7 will be just 3.9 millimeters when unfolded. That's a 30% drop in thickness, which is a huge shift for a phone that already folds in half, but making it thinner comes with a trade-off. The 3 cameras on the back now stick out more, something we've seen before from other brands like OnePlus and Google. Still, Samsung seems willing to make that compromise, especially as it might also make the device a bit wider, possibly over 10 millimeters more compared to the Fold